Hi guys, welcome to Winnie's Artisan Journey. Today I feel very excited to share with you guys how to make a very simple lavender body scrub at home. It is a perfect gift for your loved ones, especially during this Christmas season. This amazing home spa DIY gift idea is suitable for occasions such as Christmas, birthday, Valentine, bridal shower, and the list goes on. To make this body scrub, one may need a cup of organic cane sugar, quarter cup of coconut oil, 10 drops lavender essential oil, and for aesthetic pleasure, you may need few pinches of natural dried lavender buds and a few drops of purple soap coloring. This soap coloring is plant-based and is quite natural. First of all, to make this body scrub, we may need to blend together the coconut oil and sugar in a bowl. Ensure that the sugar and the oil are being mixed properly so that the sugar is well coated with the oil. Wow, the lavender essential oil smells so heavenly. Once the sugar and coconut oil are combined, add the drops of lavender essential oil and mix again. I just couldn't resist the marvelous smell. Now this step is actually optional, you can do without it. I'm adding in a few drops of coconut oil and mix it together with my coloring. The type of coloring that I'm using is actually quite natural. It is plant-based and is skin safe. In case you're wondering what is the sugar scrub benefits to our skin, it can actually gently exfoliate our skin, eliminate the dead skin cells, leaving behind smooth glowing skin where you will adore most. Well, the basic step to use a sugar scrub is by starting off with our wet skin in the shower. Do allow some time for our skin to soften from the warm water before applying the sugar scrub in circular motions. Be gentle to the skin and do not rub too harshly as our skin needs pampering. Lastly, rinse off with warm water. Well, in fact, you can actually use salt instead of sugar. But I personally think that sugar will work better if you have sensitive skin. The reason why I use lavender essential oil here is because it has a very calming and soothing effect to our body. Apart from that, it reduces minor pain and eases our sore muscles. It contains antibacterial effect, thus promote wound healing. It will also relax our mind and ease better sleep. It is just so therapeutic to our mind, body, and soul. Well, isn't it so simple to make this lavender body scrub with a basic step-by-step instruction? To store your body scrub, you can use any airtight container that you like. Well, in my case, I'm using an airtight glass container, which the decor I have handmade it myself. The last step is to scoop out all the lovely granules into your favorite jar. Oh, look at that beautiful crystallized granules. And the smell is so amazing. Finish off by adding some natural dried lavender buds on top. This is the perfect home spa kit to pamper your man. And for men, do surprise her with such an irresistible gift of all, which is all handmade by yourself. Thanks for watching and please subscribe Winnie's Artisan Journey.